Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeannie and I am now nocturnal. But yeah, I can't sleep for the life of me. I've been having some real issues with getting to sleep. For example, right now it has just gone 5 a.m. and it just so happens that I was recording this video today. So I have had this video planned for a little bit. Excuse my no makeup or anything. I don't feel very comfortable coming on here without any face, but this is what you get when it's 5 a.m. So in today's video, I am going to be trying out some techniques of how to get my sleeping pattern back on track. Ever since we've had the lockdown and stuff, I've just not been able to sleep. And pretty much I've been staying awake until like 7 a.m. and then I crash. And then I wake up at like 12 or 1 p.m. and by that point it takes like an hour to get out of bed, and then I've wasted like most of the day and it just makes me feel rubbish about myself. So I think something needs to be done, because before we know it, like, the world's gonna be going back to normal and I can't be having some sort of shock when I've got to go to work. So I am planning on going out on my bike. I think I'm going to do some yoga. I'm probably going to have a bath as well. I need to try and avoid caffeine as much as I can today. And then I'm going to see how I feel tonight. I aim to be in bed by 12 a.m. and asleep by 2. And I know that 2 sounds really late, but when you've been staying awake until 7, 2 doesn't sound that bad. I could settle for 2 a.m. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to have a hot drink, probably go to bed, and then I will see you probably on a nice green field somewhere with my bike. Oh my god, I am so out of breath, it is unreal. It's been a while since I've cycled. Jeez. Let me just show you my scenery. And there's my bike. Basically, grass field hill. So I've done half an hour. I forgot to put my new SIM card in my new phone. So I don't have any like GPS tracking or like, I don't have any clue of how many calories I've burnt and stuff, so that's great. All it's doing is just tracking my time. So, I mean, the whole point is just to do an hour outside, so it's not about calories. It'd be nice to know how many kilometres I've done, but I guess I just won't know. Okay, I am back and I'm so hot and sweaty. I have finally gotten, it says I did 1 hour 6 minutes. So okay, that's that part done. Next I'm going to do some yoga, but first I'm going to watch an episode of Desperate Housewives and then it'll be yoga. So it is nearly 11 o'clock at night. I am feeling quite tired, to be fair. I'm going to go to bed in a minute. I want to see if it works. I hope it does work because I need something. But good morning. It is now the next day. It is about 9:30 a.m. I slept so well, and I'm not just saying that, I really did. I fell asleep about 2:30 a.m. so later than what I wanted to. But I slept more than I did the night before, so maybe I was tired anyway, but I don't mind. I got more sleep this time, so that's the main thing. Nice ears, puss. definitely think that the yoga and having a bath made a big impact on relaxing, so I'll be continuing that. I realised that my biggest habit before bed is being on my phone. I'm currently addicted to Instagram, so I will sit on my phone for like a good 3 hours, if not more, just scrolling away. And I think the blue light isn't very good for you. Maybe that's what's keeping me awake. I know that my boyfriend, he complains saying that he sees me scrolling away at God knows what time, but so it keeps him awake too by the sounds of it. So maybe my next challenge will be to not go on my phone before bed. But that's a big commitment, so I don't know, we'll have to see. Talking of Instagram, I am currently working on mine. It is work in progress, but I have been posting on there for about a week solid now, about 80 followers, and I don't mind that because I realise that my feed isn't all that aesthetic yet, but I'm mostly posting about living positively and study kind of things, and obviously anything that's related to the YouTube channel. It's all going on there, so be sure to check that out. So look out for my story because there'll probably be an update on this. I will let you guys know if this was a fluke today or not on there, so be sure to check that out. So I'm gonna have my breakfast, and yeah, I've got to go and get my retainer fixed, and yeah, that's my day pretty much. So I hope you all have a good week, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. See you later, bye.